How to fix Instagram filters. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters easily and fast. Actually this is very easy to fix, so please keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and wait a few seconds and disable it again, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, just enable it and disable it and enable it again, and then go back, go to the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps like this, click on Instagram and then go to the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back, click on the force stop, and then all what you have to do now is just go to the power usage details and click here on force stop down here. Now restart your phone and you open Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.